What's going on, everyone? So, I finally got the exhaust done, got it to where I can start it. Let's hear what it sounds like. This is that bullet exhaust. I might change it for when I'm riding with my kids. Make it a little bit quieter, and then when it's me and the boys, throw the loud exhaust on there. But let's listen to it. Pretty cool. I'm excited. Well, there it is. Sounds awesome. Sounds mean. Can't wait to go out and rip it here in about a week. The trails open up for us, so super excited. Should sound awesome, but yeah, I definitely think I need to do a little bit quieter of an exhaust. But it's pretty cool how I set it up with the V-band. I can have two different sets of mufflers that will allow me to modify the sound to whoever's riding with me at that time. So, something to think about instead of ordering those exhausts is that V-band over here, wherever it's at, up over there, would definitely make it very, very customizable to how you ride, what you like, and still give you a ton of great flow. So 2.5 I think is plenty. 3-inch is going to be monstrous in there, and it's going to be all custom. So I might try and modify to a 3-inch muffler, as there's just more choices versus 2.5-inch piping. But I don't know, I like it. I think it sounds great. I need to try and find another spark arrestor just so I can have that still on there. That way I don't get harassed by any forestry service person or whatever I might come across. So, alright, well, there it is. You heard it. Love the sound of the turbo. You can't beat that. It's a little bit quieter than just the downpipe alone, and it would probably be a lot louder with just straight piped exhaust. So, alright, I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you got any questions, let me know. Alright, thanks.